Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. In this video today, I'm going to be doing another, well, I don't know if I think I was going to start the series where I did a 2 looks, 1 palette type of thing, but I've actually got some palettes of mine that I haven't used before on my channel. So I've got, I have a little stack of, excuse me, ColourPop, what do you call these? ColourPop palettes. Oh my god, help me. And so the first one I'm going to use today is called the Element of Surprise. I'm not sure if they still have these palettes available, but this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really it's really pretty. I really like the way that it looks, but I haven't used it, and I'm on a no buy, like proper full no buy. Unless it's like foundation and you know, stuff that I actually need, like eyebrow. Actually, I've still got eyebrow stuff, but concealer and foundation, like I'd have to repurchase that at some point in the year. But I've put myself on a no buy or very, very, very low buy unless I absolutely have to have it. So I'm basically like shopping my own stash kind of thing. And so yeah, I'm just really interested in this. I'm going to kind of go through, I think, each one of my palettes and try and do a series of looks with the palettes that I have. One, to challenge myself, and two, to like actually start using these and fall in love with these palettes, you know, whatever they may be. So if you're interested in watching me come up with a look, 2 looks actually, I'm going to do 2 looks. So I'm going to do one on the one eye and one on the other. Then with the Element of Surprise, then keep watching because it's going to be a surprise for both of us. Also, I'm not going to be speaking in this video. I'm trying to get through the Watcher series, so that, and I don't really have anything to talk about, so there's that as well. So yeah, well, I'll see you at the end of the video. guys, so this is my final two looks. My final looks. Plural, because I did 2 looks, 1 palette. If you don't remember what it looked like, this is the Element of Surprise palette here. I used 1/2 on one eye and another half on another eye, except for the little highlighter shade underneath my brows. I did the same color. But yeah, I used this side with the pink on this side and this side. Ooh, yeah, this side on this side. Okay, that you understand what I'm saying, basically. But anyway, yeah, I like this palette. I'd be interested in using some of these other shades that I haven't, like, for instance, like this really pretty shifty gold color. It looks like it's got like green reflect in it, but oh no, it's more of a bronzy reflect. So that's, oh shit, that looks gorgeous on camera. Let's see, I'm in a shade, that's shade Silk Street. And then this one is Blank Canvas. Ooh, that one's pretty too. Not as shiny, but still really pretty. And then there's Sea Stars, which is SEA Stars. And this is a really pretty dark brown with copper reflect in it. Again, not as shimmery, but still really pretty. Really pretty. So yeah, I will pop up on the screen the different colors that I used as I go, and well, I don't know why I'm telling you that. Anyway, yeah, so that's basically it. This is the end of this palette. Really happy that I pulled this out and found it, because I completely forgot that I bought it, if I'm being perfectly honest, and that sounds so spoiled. But, you know, that it is what it is. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!